Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and welcome to this new video on Chiliz and a CHZ token, soon to be coin. Perhaps it already is coin, to be honest, or we should already call it a coin. But yeah, wanted to take a quick look at it. We just had a bullish breakout last night and just continued the bullish momentum that we already started. When was it? With this bullish breakout, the 4th of April last week. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on both the fundamentals and the technicals, because I do think that this is, well, at least partially a fundamental based move. I think mostly, to be honest. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the influence of that and how long that will continue. But then we'll also take a look at the technicals. We just had, for example, as I said, a very big bullish breakout above 13 cents. That means quite a bit, was a very strong resistance level. So we'll also talk about whether we can continue going up. But now first, before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals on, for example, Chiliz, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, but now on to Chiliz. You can see that the volume has gone up, which is great. The volume of most cryptos, especially at the start of the weekend, has dropped down. Most of the volume sources are great as well. It's a bit, some sources are not amazing, but it's nothing to worry about. And the big fundamental event, I think, that is driving this is the launch of their mainnet, of their blockchain, the 10th of May. Usually what you see is that you get bullish momentum kind of ahead of the news, ahead of the development and the release, and then a week before or 2 weeks before you get some sort of bearish momentum. It's an effect like buy the rumor, sell the news. All right, so buy the announcement, sell the release. Basically, that's what it is. But that's causing quite a lot of bullish momentum. And then we also had a relatively bullish Bitcoin overnight, which I think helped us to break above 13 cents. 13 cents is such a major key level because it's, first of all, just a strong technical level. Second of all, this gold line is the 382 fib of this entire move down. So that's a very strong level. So we broke above that. So that actually leads me to believe that right now you can see that we're at the next resistance level at 13.5 cents. And I do think that we will find some resistance there. The market has slowed down a bit as well. But altogether, since we have broken above 13 cents, I think that's enough of a bullish breakout to kind of consolidate between 13.5 and 13 cents. And then at some point break above 13 cents, get towards our next resistance level, which is technically, I would say, around 14.2. And from there, we'll see again. I think breaking above that is a possibility, but it does depend on the price action we get ahead of getting there. All right, if it takes a very long time to get there, if we can barely break above 13.5 cents, I still think we can get there, but breaking above that might be a bit too much. And you can also see historically that level, especially technically between 14.8 and 14.2, is a strong level. 14.2 is one of the strongest points in that entire area. So yeah, I think we can get there, but breaking above that, and the possibility of whether we can do that or not, I'll leave that up to future me to decide in an update. I'll keep updating Chiliz and the CHZ coin for you, of course. But for now, this is my take on it. So if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. I'm always open for discussion as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.